The cabbage moth Mamestra brassicae is a common moth found extensively throughout Europe, North Africa, Russia and Asia. It is also found in North America, although it is less common there. The cabbage moth is a polyphagous insect, meaning that it feeds on a wide variety of plants, but its preferred host plants are members of the cabbage family Brassicaceae. This includes cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, and kohlrabi. Adult cabbage moths are medium-sized, with a wingspan of about 35 to 50 m. They have gray or brown forewings with a kidney-shaped spot enclosed in a white border. The hind wings are paler in color. Cabbage moths are nocturnal, and they are most active at night. Cabbage moth females lay their eggs on the leaves of their host plants. The eggs are small and oval, and they are initially white but turn brown as they age. The eggs hatch into caterpillars after about a week. Cabbage moth caterpillars are green and velvety, with a pale stripe along their backs. They grow to be about 40 to 50 m long. The caterpillars feed on the leaves of their host plants, and they can cause significant damage. Cabbage moth caterpillars have 4 instars, or larval stages. After completing their 4th instar, the caterpillars drop to the ground and pupate in the soil. The pupae overwinter in the soil, and they emerge as adult moths in the spring. Cabbage moths can have multiple broods per year, depending on the climate. In warm climates, there can be up to 4 broods per year. Cabbage moths are considered to be a major pest of brassica crops. The caterpillars can cause significant damage to the leaves of these plants, and they can also contaminate the plants with their droppings. How to control cabbage moths? There are a number of ways to control cabbage moths. Some of the most common methods include physical controls. These involve measures to prevent cabbage moths from laying their eggs on the plants, or to remove the eggs or caterpillars once they are present. Physical controls can include row covers, sticky traps, and handpicking the eggs and caterpillars. Biological controls. These involve using natural enemies of cabbage moths, such as parasitic wasps and predators such as birds and bats. Chemical controls. These involve using insecticides to kill the cabbage moths or their caterpillars. Chemical controls should be used as a last resort, and they should be used in accordance with the label instructions. If you have a cabbage moth problem in your garden, there are a number of things you can do to control them. By using a combination of physical, biological, and chemical controls, you can protect your brassica crops from damage.